Whether you're a UK citizen or new to the country, you'll require a national insurance number. If you already have received a national insurance number, we can help you to apply for a replacement or a name change. Perhaps you've lost your number and need to obtain confirmation of it. www.nationalinsurance.uk.com. If you're coming to the United Kingdom to work or to study, then you'll need to obtain a national insurance number. Everybody intending to work or attend university or college in the UK is required by law to get a national insurance number, or NIN card as it's commonly referred to. The NIN card provides you with a unique number issued to you by the UK Department for Work and Pension, which all employers must have in order to offer you work and to ensure that you do not pay too much tax on your wages. You will receive a card after successfully applying, which you can then show to an employer when you're job hunting or applying to work in the UK. The NIN card is essential for working in England, Scotland, Ireland and Wales, and all employers demand to see one before employing you. Whether you've just arrived in the UK or even if you're thinking of heading there soon, you can apply online today at nationalinsurance.uk.com. We'll help you to apply with step-by-step instructions and will assist you ensuring that your application is correctly completed to help make the application process a much faster and easier experience. We will arrange an identity interview for you and help you to arrive on time and with the correct information to hand. You can choose between our standard or fast-track service and have an interview, if required, arranged by our staff on the day of your application. We can also send your completed application to you within 48 hours. Support is available by live chat, email, telephone, post, and even SMS notifications. Our online service is available 24/7. Our staff will assist you throughout the process and ensure that you receive all the help you need. Apply online now at www.nationalinsurance.uk.com or contact our multilingual expert staff on 0905 915 0776 to make your application process a much faster and easier experience.
Today's question: how do deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance, and maximums work? The simple answer is they define the different ways health insurance companies pay most of the costs to keep you healthy. It's a little complicated at first, but not when you understand how everything works together. Your deductible is the amount of your medical costs that you have to pay before your health insurance begins to pay. These amounts can vary dramatically between different plans. Here's an example. Gina has a health plan with a $1,500 deductible. If Gina only has a few little things go wrong during the year that cost less than $1,500 total, she's going to pay the full amount to treat them. However, if Gina has a catastrophic injury or serious illness that requires a lot of medical care to get better, she'll pay her $1,500 deductible, and then her health insurance takes over to pay most, if not all, of her additional covered costs. Often, plans with higher deductibles have lower monthly premiums. The exception to deductibles is preventive care, like annual physical exams and routine gynecological visits with in-network doctors, which are covered by most plans even before meeting a deductible. Sometimes, even after you've met your deductible, you may still have to pay a copay. A copay is a set price that you pay when you visit the doctor, a small portion of the total bill. Copays vary by policy and can change if you see a specialist instead of a regular doctor or seek treatment out of your provider network. Prescription drug coverage may also have copays, which can be higher for specialty medicines and lower for generic drugs. Let's say Gina goes to the doctor with a case of mono. Her doctor charges a $30 copay, and when Gina fills her prescription, she pays a $5 copay to the pharmacy. Her out-of-pocket costs are $35, and her insurance company will reimburse the pharmacy and the doctor for the difference between the copay and the cost of treatment. Some plans have co-insurance, which is the way you and your health insurer share the costs of your care after you've met your deductible. For example, if Gina is injured and she's met her deductible for the year, her health plan will pay 80% of the cost of the rest of her covered expenses, leaving Gina responsible for the remaining 20%. Maximum out-of-pocket is the most you could be responsible for paying for during the plan year for covered expenses. So to sum it up, deductibles are the portion you must pay first before your insurance pays its share. Then you pay only a small portion of your healthcare costs, either a set copay amount or a coinsurance percentage. Maximum out-of-pocket is the most you will pay for covered treatment in 1 year. So now you know. Until next time, stay smart and stay healthy.